Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric air duster, the Kuni electric air duster, your ultimate cleaning companion for electronics, desks, and delicate devices. Let's get started. Product features. High-speed motor blasts away dust and debris in seconds, delivering powerful cleaning performance beyond traditional air cans. Dual mode functionality lets you switch between blowing away dirt and suctioning small debris, perfect for electronics or tight corners. Equipped with a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers up to 90 minutes runtime on low speed, plenty for multiple devices. Cordless design gives you freedom of movement around home, office, or car without tangled cords or being tethered to an outlet. Eco-friendly alternative to disposable compressed air cans, reusable, cost-effective, and sustainable for long-term use. Compact and lightweight, yet delivers professional-grade performance, making it ideal for both home and office environments. Versatile application across keyboards, laptops, desktops, cameras, office gear, and car interiors so your devices stay safe and dust-free. Pros: exceptional cleaning power for electronics and delicate gear. Blow and suction modes offer flexible usage scenarios. Long battery life means fewer interruptions. Cordless convenience for unrestricted cleaning. Environmentally friendly and reusable. Easy to handle and store. Works across many devices: desks, cameras, cars. Cons: you'll need a bit of time to master the optimal speed and mode settings. On very small desks, the unit might feel slightly large compared to ultra-compact tools. If you only clean occasionally, you may not take full advantage of all modes. Charging time may be longer if you use it often and need rapid turnaround. Final thoughts: if you want a smart, eco-friendly solution to keep your electronics and workspace spotless, the Kuni electric air duster is a standout. Whether it's keyboards, PCs, cameras, or car interiors, you get performance, convenience, and freedom. For casual, occasional use, a simpler tool could suffice, but for real versatility, power, and long-term value in the best electric air duster category, this is a strong choice. Thanks for watching. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video.